So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an entire booster box of Star Wars Destiny Way of the Force booster packs. So let's get started. Now, just need to open them up from the bottom. We have this die. Let's see the cards. So, Machine Replacement, Undermine, Shootout, Flames of the Past, Scrupulous Governor. Get rid of that. So let's see here. We'll just store all the dice up here. Alright. Loth Wolf Bond, Division in the Force, Rig Divination, a Force Sphere. Change of Fate, Righteous Cause, Mechanical Insight, Made to Suffer, and a ARX 170 Starfighter. Well Armed, Steadfast, Quell, Motivate, and she doesn't look very motivational. Gungan Catapult. Reconstruct, Turn the Tide, By Any Means, Sebulba Always Wins, Lotho Minor Junkers. Grand Entrance, Nature's Charm, Nefarious Deed, Bontva Eve Classic, and Mandalorian Vambraces. Peace and Quiet, Fond Memories, Closing the Deal, Control, and Count Dooku's Solar Sailor. It's a pretty cool ship. Reposition, Dark Empowerment, Under Attack, Arena of Death, I think we saw that before, and Electropole. I guess this is a lot of Gungan stuff. Oh, this one is a toughie. Weapon Master, Way of the Dark, Narrow Escape, Defensive Racing, and Bo-Katan Kryans. Okay. Loth Wolf Bond, No Escape, By Any Means, Built to Last, and Betatorian Sphere. There's a lot of equipment upgrades in this. Or at least I'm getting a lot of upgrades. I wish I would get cooler ones. So, well armed, calm tower, closing the deal, dumb luck, yeah, with a looks like Jar Jar, and a pod racer. First aid, righteous cause, in the crosshairs, lack of faith, resistance crate speeder. Change of fate, extract, cocky, risky move, and underhanded tactics. And one interesting thing is with these packs, they are a little tricky to open sometimes with that dice in them. Take the fight to them, righteous cause, respected businessmen, power from pain, and General Grievous's wheel bike. I think that purple was one of the legendaries you get, so I don't think it's one of the better ones. Triple threat, renewed purpose, way of the light, furious assault, and in one starfighter. Weapon Master, Freefall, Sticky Situation, Blockade, and Cassian Andor, Rebel Operative. Take the fight to them, no escape, Rig Detonation, Guardian of the Wills, and Rex Blaster Pistol. These are, purple are definitely not legendary. I guess maybe it is like a gold or another color. We'll have to see. I forgot what the rarity colors were on the bottom. So, Glancing Shot, Torment, Mechanical Insight again, Long-Term Plan, and CR2 Heavy Blaster. Quarrel, Propel, Partners in Crime, Art of War, and Executioner's Axe. A lot of equipment. Testing Procedure, Extract, Desperate Hour, Gungan Offensive, and Imperial Troop Transport. Man, some of these do not open very easily. It's like they designed these packs to. I guess they have these things in there to protect the cards, so it's very unlikely you're gonna bend them. But I could see if those were not in there, you'd probably be wrecking all these cards. Glancing Shot, Torment, Prized Goods, Dark Ritual, and Dark Saber. We're about 2/3 through. So Reconstruct, Streetwise, under attack. Inspiring presence, doesn't look very inspiring. And V1 thermal detonator. Glancing shot, honed skills, friend or foe, climate disruption array, and super commando. Now I guess it is purple. I guess you get 8. I forgot it's 8 legendaries per thing. If I recall right. So Overload, fond memories again, sticky situation, home turf advantage, and stealthy. Man, I get a feeling like these are not the ones you want to be getting. We'll go back through them at the end and see. Peace and Quiet, Opening Volley, Nefarious Deed, Suppressive Fire, and OOO instead of C3PO. Grand Entrance, Dark Empowerment, Nefarious Deed, Reprogram, and Sebulba. Overload, Undermine, Prized Goods, Quad Breather, and Sebulba's Pod Racer again. Ammo reserves, Way of the Dark, Friend or Foe, Luke's Training, Polo Koon, Jedi Protector. Quarrel, Hone Skills, Beguile, Scoping the Target, and Force Sensitive Outcast. Interesting. Machine Replacement, Opening Volley, Way of the Light, Pacify, and a Stocklight Freighter. Triple Threat, Turn the Tide, In the Crosshairs, Moss Epsa Arena, and Era Bridger's Lightsaber. So it seems like a lot of this, at least stuff I've been getting, has been equipment. So we're down to our last few. Let's hope for some good characters. I don't think we've gotten any so far. We'll go through the rare ones at the end. Blaze of Glory, Renewed Purpose, Cocky, Calling in Favors, and Gungan Warrior, which is not good. Take the Fight to Them, Righteous Cause, Rig Detonation, Paid Off, and Force Jump. Become One, Dark Empowerment, Respected Businessman, Crush Hope, and Firmus Pratt. Again, nothing good. At best, some okay characters. First Aid, Own Skills, Shootout, Way of the Force, and Jabba the Hutt. I think this is our last one. It looks like someone new, so maybe it'll be okay. We'll see. Become One, Propel, Shootout, Start Your Engines, and Trust Informant. So that is it. Let's go back through this and find all the purple ones real quick. I probably should have taken those out, but we'll see. Man, I feel like